Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this one we're going to be looking at a conservation project. Conserving your cables so that you don't have to be constantly buying new cables. Now, in over 30 years of experience with cables, using them professionally as well, I've found that the first place that they break and fracture is here. Right after the plug where it joins the cable. You've got ones like this, they will fracture exactly there, and in this one worse, it's going to fracture right there. And the reason is that there's constant movement like that every time you use them. Even though they put this thing here to give some flexibility, that's nice, that protects that piece and it doesn't break there, but it breaks here where it joins. So what's my solution for that? So here we have a cell phone, a charger and a cable, but the charger and cable are not from this phone. It's from a previous one. This cable outlasted 2 cell phones. How did I manage that? Well, I put paper mache on the joints here. So if you can see that the first place it's going to break is right here, and you can see that the paper has fractured, so we need to do some maintenance. It shows that the paper mache is working. Instead of the wire fracturing, the paper mache can fracture. And then it's just an easy case of just cutting that off and replacing it on both ends. I have just bought a cable, got a tablet, second-hand tablet, and the cable obviously was dead, so I had to get a new one. And this cost me half a day's wages in this country. So it's very worthwhile extending the life of this cable. So let's do maintenance on the other one and do this one to extend the life of your cables. Now, if this was the first time I was doing maintenance on this one, it would be thinner and I could just get another strip of paper, glue it and wind it around there to give it some reinforcement. But it's not, so I'm going to use a knife or a pair of scissors and carefully just cut that off, making sure you don't cut the cable itself, and then you can repair. I'm going to take some PVA and on a strip of paper just run some down there and wind it around, feathering it out so that it gets less and less the length of the cable. Then let it dry and you're done. If you want to, you can paint it so it looks not quite so noticeable, but there we have it. I'm going to go down to about there, maybe go back up again. That will give you heaps more life out of your cable. That's one end done. In the case of this one, I'm going to have to do a little bit more work to make it sort of taper down onto the wire so that it doesn't fracture off right there, because that's where it will, you see. So I need to start on the plug itself and then go around and build up that. And I'm going to basically bulk out that bit there so that it's going to fill in that gap to make a bit of a triangle. So there we have it. Let them dry. They'll go fairly rock solid like wood, and if I'm concerned about the colour I can paint them, but there we have it.